come again? Well, I'm not sure about your call sign. I have Sierra Mike 7, United Zanzibar Bravo. Is that okay? Okay, Sierra Mike 7, United Zulu Bravo. This is 487 Tango India. Where is it today? You're 59 and name here is Effie. Echo Foxtrot India. Back to you, Sugar Mike 7, United Zanzibar Bravo. Okay, thank you very much and wish you all the best. CQ, Android 4X01 Tango India, calling CQ, I'm standing by. Mike 0, come again. Roger, Mexico 0, Radio Whiskey Alpha, you're 59, name Echo Foxtrot India. Back to you, Mike 0, Radio Whiskey Alpha for X1 Kia. Yeah, no problem, Rachel, so 59 plus, no problem at all. Name here is Effie, Echo Foxtrot India. 1 year Icon 7300, about 500 output of my frame and homemade monobundle. Local temperature 29 degrees centigrade at the moment. Back to you, Rachel. Yeah, well, I also use the original mic. I tried several, maybe 7 or 8 different mics, and this is the best mic, although it's a handy mic, HI. Thank you. Yes, it is. I was this week for about 4 or 5 years ago. I was one of the first ones to boot this rig in Israel. Go ahead. Well, let's say I have also have an Icon